extremely demanding black-headed heron chicks. Notice how the larger chick reaches up and pulls the adult's beak down to their level, forcing the adult to regurgitate food for them. Both chicks grab at the beak and the adult feeds them, all the time calling and begging loudly. The adult keeps swallowing to get the food back into its stomach again. This time the adult tries to stretch and stay out of reach, but the stronger chick stands on the edge of the nest and pulls the beak down again. Interesting to note this time that the stronger chick pulls the beak down and lets the weaker, smaller chick get fed by regurgitation. Often the stronger chicks get most of the food and the smaller ones often starve.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and post any comments you have down below.